Now much has happened since the last year regarding the crypto space, regarding the price of Aragon. I will dive into the chart of ANT and see what the technical analysis is showing us regarding the price action. Join me and enter the charts. Thank you for still being here. This is 3-day chart of Aragon. Now let's dive directly into the price action. In the last video, which was more than a month ago, I told you to keep a close eye on this level of $7.30. We were here somewhere in this huge candle. Right as we spoke about the importance of $7.30, we broke above it. This was very bullish, well, until we break again below it. Now that's disappointing. Daily chart showed us that that level of 730 is our biggest resistance. Now keep in mind that now we are again below this crucial trend line, and no matter that we skyrocketed so high in a few days, unfortunately we are still fighting that level of 730. At the moment, yes, we are at 747, but this is still not a clear confirmation of an uptrend move of making this crucial line of 730 a line of support. It's still middle ground of support resistance. But let's go a step further. Since we zoomed out on the bigger picture, we are now having even more important line of resistance, and that is $13.45 in the lower ranges of $14, to keep it simple. You can see why we stopped here, because in there, well, this price action proved that it won't be an easy task, so we were very smoothly rejected by this level. In the future, when Aragon, and it will, decides to test upper bands of resistance lines, this level of $13.45 will again give us the clue of possible rejections, or if we break that level, that is now the most important line on the 3-day chart, the territories of price discoveries, because we never traveled above those lines. So what to deduct from this? 730, still a great line of support resistance. Keep a close eye on it. For now we're good, we are above it, but it's a shaky ground. Don't get too carried away. After that, $13.45, the big, huge level of resistance. And it's a fairly big amount of space between those two lines, so if you want to take some swing trading move of moving from this lower band to this higher band, you could, but that's totally up to you. I won't get into that part of your trading and investing career. I just want to give you the levels that you should definitely keep an eye on. To the upper side, 13.45, to the downside, 7.30. Now this is us talking about that bull scenario when we held this line as a support. What if this line is now a resistance? And it could be the case, because with this huge move we did a huge pullback, giving almost all of the move of price to the upside we gave back. So this is not a bullish sign. This is still a sign of weakness in the market regarding the Aragon. And you can say that all of this price action is still one big consolidation phase. And it is, it really is. Anything can happen between 13.45, so approximately $14. And check this out. I will now draw you a very peculiar, strange, and not often seen exponential moving average in the charts. That will tell you the bottom, the absolute floor that I believe that Aragon will hold. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see the super significance of this huge exponential moving average that is randomly talked about? This is 377 exponential moving average drawn on a 3-day chart, so it's taking more than 3 years of price action into account. And why is it important? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a few days ago, 5. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. When we are in a retracement mode from high grounds, we are always reverting to the 377 exponential moving average on the 3-day chart. Super significant one. The one is currently standing just above $4, $4.03. So, according to my technical analysis, this is a hard floor on Aragon. We are now right in the middle at $7.42, and to keep it simple, to the upside, you got $14. On the downside, you got that exponential moving average that is standing at $4. So between 4 and 14, anything can happen. And for you that are not concerned with technical analysis, think about it this way. When we break $14, we are super bullish, parabolic, let's say. This is the time you've been waiting for. If you are bearish, well, and if you see breaking of the $4 with volume and momentum, then we are in deep trouble. Or if you bear, you're good. And if you really are interested in Aragon, check out this video, our previous one, in which we discussed Aragon on the daily chart. It was fun time, it was valuable. Click it and I'll see you in that one.